How to get gold stickers in Monopoly Go. So I'm going to show you 3 ways. Now the first way is through the quick wins. If you are active and you complete your weekly requirements right here, it will give you a pack that contains a minimum of 1 gold 3-star sticker. That was the first way of how you can get gold stickers. Another way of how you can get stickers is through the tournaments. So if we press on it right here, as you can see, the top 5 people will receive packs, and for number 1 you will receive a pack that contains a minimum of 1 gold 5-star sticker. Number 2 will contain a minimum of 1 gold 4-star sticker, and the third place will get a minimum of 1 gold 3-star or 1 gold 3-star sticker. And another way of how you can get gold stickers in Monopoly Go is through the albums. So if we press on albums right here and we go to the exchange at the bottom right corner, so as you can see, the top reward right here for 2500 stars will give you a pack that contains a minimum of 1 gold star sticker, a minimum of 1 new sticker. So if you have only gold stars left, they will give you that. And those are 3 ways of how you can actually get gold star stickers in Monopoly Go. Hope you learned something out of this. Don't forget to like and sub, and I'll see you next time.